What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. So tonight, in addition to the other Cedarcide products that I've put down, the Yard Safe and the PCO Choice, I'm also going to try out some Cedarcide, like cedar shavings. Basically they're cedar shavings, they say broadcast into the area that you want treated and provides a natural insect control. So it says broadcast, so me being the yard guy, I'm going to try to do this. Try to broadcast them with the spreader. Maybe this will work better than peat moss. I don't know, let's find out. Let's start at a setting of 10. See what happens. Moved it up to a setting of 12. We're going to see if that works a little bit better or not. They say this one bag covers 3,000 square feet, so it should cover the whole backyard, including all the edges. So we're just going to keep spreading and throw her down. So we got a little bit left. They say you can spread it in other areas like flower pots, things like that. Best thing I like about using this product is that, you know, kids and pets don't need to wait for things to dry or, you know, set a certain amount of period of time where you can, you know, after you spread it, they can go on it right away. Plus it smells so good. I wish you could smell this. Yeah. Cedar. Put it in these areas because insects like to go in those areas. So there we got that Cedarcide cedar granules product applied. Using the spreader, probably not the best thing. It works better than peat moss in it, but they're still pretty light. They don't fly out. I mean, it worked okay as long as I did it, you know, bounce the spreader along as we went. So probably just use your hand. We'll try that next time. Go ahead, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and hit a like, and comment down below if you like the smell of cedar. Let me know. Thanks, everyone. Coconut. What? Coconut. Coconut. No.
Are you filming coconut?
Yeah.